vlog. Thanks for watching my video and supporting me. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken candy. This is a variety candy which is made of chicken. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're seeing my video first time, please do subscribe. While subscribing, please click on the bell icon. For this we require chicken, maida, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder and curd. First we will marinate the chicken. Add all ingredients except maida. Coriander powder, turmeric, now add chili powder, salt, now add ginger garlic paste. Now mix it well. Now close and keep in the fridge for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we'll make the dough. Add salt. Gradually add water. Now spread some oil. The dough is ready. Close and keep for 10 minutes. Now we'll fry this. Heat a pan and pour some oil. Now the chicken is cooked. Now we'll make the base. Just pick some maida and put the dough. Press like this. Now cut with a mold like this. Now stretch two sides. Now keep a chicken piece inside and roll it like a candy. like this. Like this. Now we'll fry this. Now it's ready. My chicken candies are ready. Please try this very tasty. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe.